Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to see who liked you on Tinder using our PC. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This is the interface of Tinder, and right here at the left hand side, under this matches section, you can see something like this, one like. I'm simply gonna click on it. Well, as you can see, this means that someone has liked me on Tinder. In order to see who likes me, what we can do is simply click on See Who Likes You, this button right here. Just click on it. But do note that you have to upgrade to Tinder Gold to see people who have already liked you. I'm simply gonna click on this button right here. And as you can see, this popped up. Simply subscribe to Tinder Gold and then you'll be able to see who liked you on Tinder. Well guys, that's it. That's how you view who liked you on Tinder using PC. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.